How do I add accessible headings to my DIY textbook? Can I publish an accessible textbook? Absolutely, and I'm going to show you how with headings. Getting your layout to look great in your textbook can be challenging, so I want to show you one trick that will change your life. They're called heading styles. Word uses headings to automate a lot of stuff in your document. For example, Word uses headings to automatically build your table of contents. Word also uses headings to outline your textbook and give shape to your chapters and sections. Accessible document readers use headings to help navigate your textbook. If you're not using headings yet, they will change your life. The sooner you start using heading styles, the easier it will be to lay out a professionally looking DIY textbook. Here's the tip. Whenever you have a chapter title or section title, apply a heading style. That's it. Want to learn more? Keep watching. Why should I use accessible heading styles in my DIY textbook? A textbook is a very long document, and you can only use the style formatting tools if you use heading styles for your chapters and sections. Let's say you have like 44 chapters in your DIY textbook, and you wanted your chapter titles to be blue and 32-point Helvetica Light. So you go through your whole manuscript and make every title blue and 32-point Helvetica Light. Well, here's the problem. Later you realize that the color is all wrong and you need to use a bolder font. So you go through all 44 chapter titles and redo the formatting, every single one. But it gets worse. You just wasted an hour of your time and you probably missed 2 or 3 titles. And you still can't use Word's automation features for the table of contents or quick links in your document. That's why you need to start using heading styles in your textbook manuscript today. Want to learn more? Keep watching. How do I use this hack for my DIY textbook headings? You've probably seen your heading styles tool but never knew what it did. They're right in the home ribbon in Word. It's called the Style Gallery. Your most popular styles are up there, like normal, heading 1, heading 2. One thing styles do is make your document look consistent from chapter to chapter. So you have 44 chapter titles that need to be formatted. Instead of going through each chapter title and editing it, just imagine editing one of your titles and all the others match it automatically. That's the magic of styles. So let's practice with one style, heading 1. The easiest way to update all your headings at once is like this. First, I'll make my changes to the heading style until I like it. Then I'll come up to the Style Gallery and right-click the heading 1 title. I'll choose Update Heading to Match Selection, and voila! Now every instance of my heading 1 style is updated throughout my document. How do I apply heading styles to my DIY textbook chapters? For styles to work for you, you need to apply the right style to every chapter title and subheading. So every time you have a chapter title, you need to apply the heading 1 style, and every time you have a subheading, use the heading 2 style. Simple. Let's look at another example that's not a title or subheading. Did you know that all your regular text also has a style to it? It's called normal or body in most programs. If you've already formatted your regular text, make sure to update the normal style. Just select some of your regular text and go up to the normal tile, right-click and select Update Normal to Match Selection. This way, all your text will stay normal when you start a new paragraph. By the way, if you ever want to reset a paragraph or heading, just select it all or triple-click it and select Clear Formatting from the Styles drop-down. You can also find it in the Edit menu. Do you have some DIY textbook headings tips for beginners? Word gives you 2 places to see your paragraph and character styles. One is in your home ribbon, and this gives you a list of popular styles you can add or remove. But if you want to see all your style options in Word, just open the Styles pane. The top field tells you your current style, so you can click on the heading, for example, to see what it is. This is heading 1 style. Knowing this is especially helpful when you want Word to insert a table of contents. If you've used the wrong heading somewhere, it won't show up right when you add your table of contents. You can also use the Select All feature to highlight every instance with that heading style. This can be useful if you want to see that everything is formatted correctly, or if you want to change all those titles to another style. You can also modify the style and update the style right here like you can in the ribbon. One last tip. At the bottom of the Styles pane, you can view all styles and see every type of style that's built into Word. Many are perfect for scholarly or academic use. Of course, you can edit these and add new styles just for your use. And you simplify things by just viewing styles in use. That's it. Happy publishing.